So this is AUD/USD. I want to show you how I analyze the chart A to Z to look for opportunity. See guys, I will never drop signal. I will never key fish for you. Instead, I will show you how I key the fish, and that is what I do on my page. Very easy using my demand and supply strategy. And last video I dropped, which is the recent video I just dropped now, we analyzed, what's it called, GBP/JPY. And see, my strategy is very easy. You can see this is where the market is now. Currently, this is where the market is currently now. I will not do anything. I will not go down to 15 minutes to know what is happening here. No, it is only when market now come to wait for market to come to you. It is only when market come to you we look for opportunity to buy, except you want to counter trade. All right, so let's go to AUD/USD. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Using this demand as, see guys, I've been telling you, this is my book. If you know you purchase this my book, it is not a novel, it is not 𝗦cije/𝗰𝗶, it is not things fall apart. It's a trading guide. Anytime I want to trade, I always take it with me. Don't worry, let's leave that one. So the strategy says, are we in an uptrend? Let's see. Let me zoom out. Any market that is stressing your eye, leave it. Now this market, I was supposed to leave it because there are chunky movement here. The only way I'm considering the fact of analyzing it is because of this impulsive move, which means buyers are pumping billions in the market because of this impulsive move. That is only what attracted my attention. So my strategy doesn't involve you going to the past price and say, this market touched here multiple times, there is trend line. No. I use price action combination of SMC. That is what came at, that is what I've been testing, and I decided to write my trading guide, my trading book for those who want to trade like me. Very easy. You can see my chart is very clean. I don't do things like this on my chart. I don't have lines like this on my chart. I don't trade. I'm not a trend line trader, so I don't have line on my chart. So let's go and analyze this chart together. First of all, are we in an uptrend or downtrend? Step number 1. Any market that is consolidating, leave it. Either trade up or down. Looking at this uptrend, no cap, right? Despite the fact that the momentum is not that high. This is the momentum that is, getting my attention. So now, mark your 2 recent swing highs and 2 recent swing low. Looking at this, I cannot identify where is my... Some of you, even if you know you are not seeing the 2 recent swing high, you still want to make sure you mark anywhere in the chart. No, the day you mark the wrong zone is the day you blow your account. You need to learn more about swing highs and swing low. So for me, this market is confusing me now because of I'm in the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour picture is not clear. You are permitted to go to the 1 hour and nothing less. So on the 1-hour time frame now, I can see the clear picture now on the 1-hour time frame. Let me zoom. So where is your most recent swing high? This is my most recent swing high here. This place here. My most recent swing high. And where is your most recent swing? 2 recent swing highs. This is my second recent swing high. This weak candle here. Oh. Your recent swing low. This one here. And this low here. This one here. Or probably this will be my recent swing high. Now someone would say why I said leave chart that is confusing. You can see on this movement, this was supposed to be, this is now my recent swing low. Do you know why? In my rules of trading, when market wants to pull back, I want to see 3. I talk about pullback. I want to see 3 candle closing below each other. If we are in an uptrend, I want to see 3 candle closing below each other to consider the trend. Do we have 3 candle closing below each other? Now it is only this place that we have it. That is why we have the low here. But this whole region, I will consider it as one move like this. So without make this one not just waste my time. Let's just go to analyzing the chart. So where is your recent break of structure? Because this market is a bit confusing. This is advanced, strategy. This is my most recent break of structure. I'm considering this fact because there are momentum in the market. So the market says focus on the most recent break of structure. All right. And like I said, before you mark out your zones in the market, your demand zone, four things must be present. If two are present, the other two are not present, leave the market. If three are present, the remaining one is not present, leave the market. The four must be present. What are the things? Order block. Where's your order block here on the 1 hour time frame? The last red candle that printed before the buying move is your order block. This is my 1 hour order block. And 1 hour demand zone, because every demand zone there is an order block there. Every supply zone there's an order block there. So don't stress yourself. Fair value gap. Do we have fair value gap? That we have. Let me adjust this. I will know that I know that the demand zone is still up to that region. This is my fair value gap. FVG. So those are the I'm analyzing. I'm not looking at the past price. I'm analyzing the current market. So I have marked two things: my demand zone, my 1 hour demand zone. I have marked my fair value gap. The third thing is, does the market create a break of structure? Yes. Look at it. 14, is there an impulsive move? Yes. Those big candles in the market are impulsive move. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you will see the picture very clear. Now, to spicy things up, we have liquidity. We talk about liquidity. We have trend line liquidity to be swept. Market is creating liquidity to be swept. We also have liquidity at the top. Market has swept it from this region. Double top liquidity for those trading double top. What do we have? Liquidity sweep. With the candle wick, I talk about liquidity sweep in my page. This is liquidity sweep because there are stop losses. People stop loss. All those weak candle swept all the liquidity above it. All right. So this is liquidity sweep. Double top. You can see if you go to the, since I'm on what's it called? I'm on a 1 hour time frame. You will not see this double top where. But if you go to the lower time frame, like the 5-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame, you will see this double top where no cap. Now, what am I expecting? This is where the current market is now, which means I'm not supposed to. That is why I said I don't do top-down analysis. For those who do top-down analysis, what you now need to do now is to go to the 15-minute time frame and refine it. There is nothing like refining in my own strategy. My own strategy involves waiting. 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% of waiting. That is my strategy. Now you now need to be patient for price to come back to your demand zone before you buy again. This is your demand zone. This is your buying interest. POI, point of interest. So this is the setup we are waiting for to form here. This particular, if we are selling, we are looking for this particular setup. If you need this strategy, you DM me. The link is in my bio. It's not free. I don't do charity work here. Even the charity work I'm posting on my page is even enough for you. If you want this book, it's not charity. You pay, you get it. So this is when price now come to my demand zone. How do I get my entry confirmation? This is what I'm looking for. If I did not see that entry confirmation, even if this setup is valid, without entry confirmation, I'm not entering the trade. When the market tap my demand zone, I want to see 15-minute market structure shift. Come back to tap that zone. Boom. This is the entry confirmation, because my strategy says wait for the market to pull back. This is let's say, for example, this is the pullback. Look for 15-minute market structure shift. You now go. If you don't see that 15-minute market structure shift, there is no point of you entering the market, even if you analyze your 2 swing highs and 2 swing lows. All right. This is my 15-minute market structure shift. The law now says that 15-minute market structure shift, there is a 15-minute demand zone that created that market structure shift. Let me adjust this. You will go there, you will see a 15-minute demand zone. This strategy is called an order block in an order block. I told you guys that I trade combination of SMC and what's it called? Price action. Some of you will say I trade ICT. Some will say I trade SMC. ICT and SMC are the same thing. ICT is the name of the person who originates SMC. So stop confusing yourself. ICT and SMC, they are the same thing. Please. Now you need to mark out a fair value gap. In that 15 minutes time frame, you will see a small fair value gap. No matter how small it is, it's a fair value gap. Mark it out. Now once you now mark it out, you now wait for price to come back. Wait for price to come back. You now take your entry here. Make sure your stop loss is covering the 15-minute low. Your first take profit will be the 15 minutes. I always talk. You know if it's a big target market safe. Some of you now just target the entire, like the full life. This is my 15 minutes high. Now I just target everything. Now get the markets. Okay? You are the choosing. You are the choosing. You are telling the market who are you. See, market is not guaranteed to reach your 4-hour high or your 1-hour high, but market is guaranteed to reach your 15-minute high or your 5-minute high. So always target the 15-minute high first. Even before the market will reach your 4-hour high or your 1-hour high, it will first reach your 15-minute high. We said the best risk to reward is 1:2 or 1:3. 1:3.44. You can see, or everything you need. Now tell me, my guy, sincerely speaking, our strategy, our setup is forming. No, our setup. Look at this setup. Is it not in close resemblance with this? Look at it. This is the same setup we have on GP. This is AUD USD and this is GBP USD. Let me click on it. This is the same setup. We are waiting for the market to come. You can see. This is how I analyze. I look for opportunity. I will never drop signal for you. I will just drop my trade setup. Now the thing is this: make sure when the market retraces, it did not break and close your recent low. It did not. Make sure you see 15-minute market structure shift inside that zone. The day the market break and close, delete the setup. Same thing with AUD USD. Make sure the zone you marked, for those of you who are marking the wrong zone, for you to confirm that your zone is wrong, when the market break and close that zone, delete it. Because if this market was supposed to buy, there is no need breaking this zone. This is how I confirm my entry. Very easy. The only thing I need to do now is to wait. That is why having trading as your main source of income is very bad. I need to go and do my other things, like marketing. I do drop shipping as well. Marketing, or I do other stuff. Or I just, go and play my game, PS5. As easy as that. Then wait for market. I can just set my alerts. I can set alerts here. Maybe I set alerts. Maybe when price get to this my fair value gap, trading view should notify me. You understand? So this is my setup. I'll be monitoring it